So we did this. We out here trying to build this new deck. You see what we working with. You know what I'm saying? All these planks. CP's up in here. Say something to the people, P. Say something. You got to roll down the window. What you got to say?
I'm stressed.
P's is stressed. We moving a whole lot of heavy weight out here. Things we should have had. Listen, it should have been illegal for us to move what we just moved. But we did it any freaking way. We did it anyway. We did it any freaking way, and we made it home, safe.
Hello friends, out here working on this deck, putting boxes in. It's frustrating, especially when we get to fixing this side, because it is completely off by 6 inches. Now we're in Home Depot getting some more supplies. Back with my bonnet. So we're out here, finally got all the posts off. That's everything. Deck is all cleared out. So there's still some more of the old deck that has to be taken away, the post that we cut off. So there you have it. Got things laid out, got to square it out some. I think we got enough boards. I think we'll be taking some back, but we're almost there. So now what we're doing is we're putting the flashing, aka duct tape, all around the boards, because when you take the nails out, you don't want it to rain and for water to get into those holes, which could speed up the deterioration of your wood, so you have to protect it with, we are using Deckwise Wise Wrap joist tape. So joist tape, deck tape, wood flashing, deck flashing, all the same. All right, I don't know how many days, but there's days and there's hours working in my bonnet, and we've made some progress. And the funny thing is that everybody is concerned about the weather that we're out here. Everybody's concerned about how much work it's done. It's like everybody who's not doing it is concerned about stuff that we're not concerned about. Like, we're doing the work, we're not concerned. So why should anybody else be concerned? I don't understand it, but let me give you an update of where we're at. So this is how much we've gotten done. And this has been work because there has been, and that's how much we have to go. So this right here is 2 days of work, and we would be further along, but there was so much work that we still had to do underneath to make sure that the boards lied flat. We had problems over here at the beginning, the first two, and then we had problems right here in the middle. There was see how that 4x4, see it's chopped right there? They were sticking up, so there's one right here too. So we'll probably cut that one down too, but they were sticking up, and that was probably the source of all our problems with the decks, with the old deck over there popping up, because those 2x4s, I'm wondering if they're even in concrete. So I wonder if permafrost is causing the 4x4s to come up, buckle the deck. Oh man, now that I'm saying that, I hope that is not the case. I hope that, so that's what we're cutting. We're going to cut them down. And so, you know what? We just need another 20, 30 years and we'll be good. So that is the this is where we're at right now. It's looking good.
They're coming along. We're about not halfway done, but like a little bit less than halfway done. But you see how we doing out here. We rocking. We got to get rid of this wood on Monday. Garbage man coming to pick it up. But we out here working. You see the pool. You see the grill game crazy. Grill game is like super, super crazy.
Show you what I got here. Let me see if I can turn this around. Can I turn this around? Nope, that wasn't turning around. Okay, here we have the skirting painted. Got to put another layer on the top of it, so we'll get that done. We got the, I can't see, hold up. Okay, so we got the railings up. We still gotta, we didn't put the top, we'll put the toppers on those once we get the stairs built. So we took down the old stairs, going to put those here. We'll got the grill mats up. I'm trying to see if I can get somebody to take all this leftover composite wood. He got his grill mats up. Look, I might have to put some braided those what are those outside carpets, because this stuff gets hotter than hell. It's hot. So all the posts are done and up. Painted the bottom. This is what we got so far. Ooh. Put the skirting on. We just got one more round of painting to do. There's the side. There we have it. And these are solar. They're battery operated light posts. And they are recharged by solar. I think that's what they are. But yeah, so it's work. This is work. Don't take it lightly. So one more. So we're not going to paint the bottom parts down here again, but one more coat of paint, maybe two more across the top of there tomorrow. I think we're done for today, and then we'll be able to put, then we will put the lattice on. Let me show you what the lattice. All right, we're in the garbage. We're in the garage. So this is the lattice. I got the baby, that's what I call it, the baby lattice. And all the trimmings there. And then under here, oh, we got the remaining post and the stair rail for the stairs. And we also have over here the steps. There to go. Almost done. Alright, here we are at the home stretch. We got the stringers in. We got the risers in. We put the blocks in for the railing. I got the front painted. And so we're heading back to the Home Depot to get some more stuff. Replace the broken boards that we purchased. They were cracked and then they broke when we got home, but on our way there.